Now, after 23 years, dispossessed residents of Valplas in Paternoster in the Western Cape will finally own their land. In 1998, the community of Valplas on the West Coast lodged a claim on behalf of 34 families who were dispossessed of their land. Apartheid may have stripped them of their birthright, but their wishes are about to come true this Christmas. Let's cross live now to reporter Monique Motlock to find out how residents there are feeling. I mean, this is very good news. I mean, I can't imagine any news that would be better than this for that community at this time of the year after such a long wait to have their land back. Monique?
Yes, definitely. It's arguably one of the best gifts that the community of Valplas could receive. Their land that was stripped away from them more than 2 decades ago by apartheid forces. I'm going to ask my colleague Crescendo Low to show you what's behind me. This is just one of several portions of the land that has been given back to the community of Valplas. Now, some of the land that they initially owned, you can see in the distance those white holiday houses, luxury holiday homes. Those homes have now been built on what was once the community's property. And this small portion that you see here is just one of several parcels of land that has been given back to the community, and they have amazing plans for it. As my guest Charles Kureisen will tell you, he's from the Valplas Communal Property Association. Mr. Kureisen, let's start firstly with how's the community feeling? It's been a long fight. Those initial claims were first lodged with the Restitution Office in 1998, and now more than 2 decades later, you've been awarded those title deeds.
Ja, dis 'n verskriklike lang tyd. Ons het omtrent 23 jaar gewag vir die dag wat nou aangebreek het. Ek wil net die eisers met die tyd wat verloop het, wil ek al weer eens bedank vir die geduld wat hulle gehad het. Ons het mos maar af en toe vergaderings met hulle gehad en terugvoering gegee. So daar was maar altyd 'n hoop dat hierdie dag sal aanbreek. En hulle het nog steeds geduldig gewag en hulle het eintlik die toekoms gesien. So uiteindelik het hierdie dag aangebreek en toe ons die aankondiging doen, was almal natuurlik in ekstase van hulle het gesien wat die toekoms vir ons inhou, en ons het dit met hulle bespreek. Toe die konsultante al die planne vir ons op die tafel lê en in 'n mate die werklikheid sien, toe was ons almal was oorweldig van geluk en hoop en voorspoed en alles.
And tell me about some of those plans that you've been in discussions with those consultants. You told me that in no way does the community want to sell the land because it's prime property worth millions of rands that you've been awarded or given back. Tell me about some of those plans that you mentioned. I know that you were saying that this is going to be not only for you as land claimants, but for future generations as well to reap the benefits of.
Dit is 100% korrek. Ons het 7 stukke grond gekry en die prioriteit is vir elke inwoner, vir elke eiser, wat elke begunstigde gaan ons 'n huis bou. Ons is 34 huisgesinne en vir elke gesin gaan ons 'n huis bou. So dit is een van die prioriteite. Die tweede plan is om 'n sentrum te bou waar ons byvoorbeeld 'n gerieflikheidswinkel gaan opsit. 'n apteek wat ons nie het nie, 'n petrolstasie wat ons ook nie het nie, waar ons elke dag Vredenburg 15 kilos moet ry om taxi te vat, waar ons moet inkopies doen. Ons wil die sentrum bou vir hulle gerief en vir die nageslag, en sodat ons in die oggende kan opstaan en net kan gaan na ons sentrum toe en inkopies gaan doen sonder om enige ander uitgawe te hê waar jy moet Vredenburg toe ry. Die planne op die tafel is ook behalwe die sentrum en die petrolstasie, die huise wat ons gaan bou vir die eisers, het ons ook vakansie en gastehuise wat ons gaan bou op een van die groot erwe, en dan het ons ook op die ander erf het ons 'n plan vir 'n restaurant met chalets waar al die vakansiegangers en gaste kan kom ontspan deur die naweek.
Baie dankie meneer. That was Charles Kureisen from the Valplas Communal Property Association, talking us through some of those plans that they have for these 7 parcels of land that has been awarded back to those 34 families. whose land was stripped from them more than 2 decades ago by apartheid forces. Not only are the families getting houses built, but there are also plans for a shopping center, for holiday homes, guest houses, and all of the profits from these various ventures will be plowed back into the community to those families who are at the moment just patiently waiting for those plans to be put into effect.